Boom! Welcome back to my channels, my people, and bless up all new viewers. You see me, I said, but I know my style already. One bag of one and a one, and I gotta give you these daily updates. Pan the sip on the screen. Yes, this thing with Donna saying our boyfriend, you know, who was accused of her murder. Update. You see me, I said, them people they on the right. Big child support issue. You see me, man in the dance, I pop thousands of bottles of champagne, but can't buy picnic pampers. Don't get me at the baby mother. And Nicki Minaj preview a track with Spice. But it seems like at least a Mercedes she preview. Yes, people. Big confusion, you see me, I say, on who Nicki Minaj is going to feature next. Because she freestyle some Jamaican-ish, you know what I mean? And y'all know, after we see the video of, you know, the girl being, you know, stabbed and you know no assistance for the little girl, the principal is rejecting claims that they didn't act accordingly. Anyway, people, that's the intro. Let's just get into it. You feel what I'm saying? Okay, people, a little update and breaking news on this situation. As you know, Noel Maitland, the policeman accused of murdering his girlfriend Donna, who is 24 years of age, has been charged with preventing the lawful burial of a corpse. Yes, the additional charge was revealed this morning during Maitland's court hearing for bail application. Yes, so it looked like, said the DPP hold back some of the charges them for keeping him in a jail. You see me, I'm guessing and I'm hoping that his bail is going to be denied, but if it isn't, and he is granted bail, I would change the title. You see me, but nevertheless, the people I'm just asking about what about tampering with evidence for people. You know, I said them really can't charge him too tough if they don't have evidence to prove. You know what I mean? Because you know all the things said with Jamaica when it comes to the system charging the system. Yes, charges get dropped or thrown out, you feel me? But nevertheless, I feel like the police them is onto something, because if I that them come up with it must be something, you know what I mean, something major, you feel what I'm saying? Jano, boy, oh boy, the mother is still talking about her daughter hasn't been returned home yet, people. Like, people, this girl has been missing since July, and we're well in October. You know what I mean? Going into the new year, you feel me? And you just think you're supposed to be safe with the police, but sure, if you can't trust them, God help all Jamaicans, you see me? But nevertheless, the mother said, so she said, a blessed evening to y'all, my people. You see me, I said, this is my beautiful baby girl, Donna. Oh, how I'm missing my daughter. Tomorrow, which is today, bail hearing for that savage, I will be there. Yes, the mother is there, people. Please come out with full force, lest our voices be heard. No bail for Noel Maitland. It's full time to talk what you did to my baby girl. You were supposed to serve and protect, not kill and dispose of an innocent sweet soul like my daughter Donna Donaldson. How dare you? You would not get away with this. One Noel, prayer warriors, please join with me in prayer with God. All things are possible. See y'all downtown at the Supreme Court 10 a.m. No justice, no peace. So, people, well, I guess see if God I got answer our prayers, you see me. I said, but me just again an update what I go on from what I go on, you see. Yeah, let's proceed. Okay, people, they're saying that the queen of hip-hop music video, Local Mix Remix with SKENG flop. Yes, the Jamaican BARDI gang is saying that because the song has failed to surpass 3 million views, not the song, but the music video. You see me, I say, and that's not like the queen of hip-hop style, but you know, she's blaming YouTube for age restriction and hindering the views for the first day. But it has been 8 days and it still hasn't surpassed 3 million views. So that is why they're saying she's dropping more collaborations with dancehall artists. You see what I'm saying? And this time is Spice. Yes, we're finally gonna get the collaboration between the queen of hip-hop and the queen of dancehall. But Twitter's up in a frenzy saying that clearly Nicki said, Lisa, why is everybody saying Spice? You see what I'm saying? But people, hear what? I think that we're gonna get a collaboration between Nicki and Lisa, and Nicki and Spice. Now let's listen to what Nicki had to say, why people is confused, and then we'll proceed at the end because my for showing us some hints that Lisa, Nicki, and Spice was dropping. Yes. Yes, they've been hinting for a few weeks now, but let's take a listen.
Yeah, say that. I have to say this one line before I leave. Idiot girl, wait, when bad girl come out. Idiot girl come in when idiot girl come in when bad girl run out. Is that it? Idiot girl come in when bad girl, Sit down on the body, me wine and rock out. So no, can't slip out, little miss. Me pussy liquor and him say him want chase and say vagina me. What? Gunman alone can't tie me. Come stop straight on the phone, come find me. My big guy, me not full of word like library. What? Alright, I love you guys. Be good, alright? I love you very much. Be good. Take care of yourselves. You are special. You are great. You are amazing. You are epic. No matter what. Okay? Blood, yeah. Say that.
Cute little miss, the waistline a crazy. You know,
1.2.3.4. Okay, I forgot.
Okay, so people, those are the clippings. So I'm putting in the comment section. Who are you hearing? Are you hearing Spice or Lisa Mercedes? Now in that live, we hear Nicki say, "Idiot girl run in when bad girl come out." And remember, we did the review 2 weeks ago, saying that Nicki Minaj tagged Lisa Mercedes in her story, saying, "Yo, I can't stop saying that." And you know, when an artist can't stop saying something, you know that they're gonna drop a hit song, you know what I mean, or working on a song, you see me, I say, so that's hint that we're definitely gonna get the collab with Nicki and Lisa. And the reason why I think that Spice is going to be featured on a collaboration with Nicki too is because she reposted this the other day on her page saying hashtag Team Dancehall Music. Big up at Nicki Minaj on this collab with SKENG. Hashtag Local Miss Remix. Boy, dancehall can't stall. You see me, I say. So I think Spice was saying that, you know, she's going to collab with Nicki and Spice on this Local Mix Remix. You see me, I say. And you see Nicki Minaj respond, "Queen Things, thank you, mama," meaning thank you for giving her the verse. You see me, I say. So that's my reason why I think that the two of them might get the feature and get it drop one time on a mix. You see me, I say. But like I said, Twitter is confused between Spice and Lisa. So put in the comment section, what were you getting from the live? Yes, let's proceed. Okay, people, a little update where I go on from what to go on with this 17-year-old Kingston Technical High School student who was taken into custody for the stabbing death of her schoolmate, Michian Campbell, has been charged with murder. She was charged Monday afternoon following the question and answer session. You see me, I say, you know, she's being represented by attorney Kimberly Whitaker. And, you know, she is understandably devastated at the turn of events. You know, she might be facing the rest of her life in jail. So, yeah. But we don't know if she's remorseful. But nevertheless, the attorney said that the matter is not as clear-cut as it seems. On Friday, when it goes before the court, there are some legal issues that will come up. Then we'll have an understanding of the statements that are before the courts. You see me? Well, as you know, the Kingston Technical Principal rejects claims that the administration failed to suitably respond to the stabbing. Yes, and I want to make it clear, I'm not blaming no teacher or principal for the girl being stabbed, you know what I mean? Because honestly, I don't think the girl could have been saved where she got stabbed in the neck, because those types of puncture wounds to the arteries, you know, it's death within 5 to 10 seconds. We see a lot of animals in the wilderness go for the neck and do these types of things. So, you know what I mean? The principal is rejecting false suggestion that the school staff did not respond appropriately to the stabbing death of the student on the compound. Yes, even though we didn't really see no teachers rushing to the student aid except for one, you know, little soldier and all of these stuff. But remember, it was another student who assisted the student that was stabbed in the neck by another student during an altercation on the campus. And And it took time for the administrators to respond to the incident, you know. So, boy, yeah, boy, honestly, people can't really blame the teacher, them, you know. You see me, I say, um, there has to be more education done in the home, and you know, the end your kids them know, say, you know, life and not joke business, you see me, I say. Yeah, but anyway, people, just giving an update while going from what I got. The little girl has been charged and she's gonna see the judge Friday.
There you go. Last time I go live, I never talk about you. I never came, I just a laugh.
Nice
Just a laugh,
boy.
Nice boy, yeah. I just a laugh. Just a laugh. Never come from nowhere, I come talk about you. I make a post. The woman send her the post. Before she tell us, she need to tell us if take care of you, you know. That's what she need to tell us, They must send her the post. And I do the most. You understand, you know? Because when I tell them, I say, just come and have the money. Come and do with my dance. I say, alright. And my man do. I say, alright. Okay then. I'm all out. That I can June. Which month we in a no? Which month we in a no? Eh? Which month we in a no? And where you do? Where you do? Baby one in the hospital, you just wanna admit. Where were you? I must have to call and class, you know, the boy ever tell me, say, they are 3 days old, admit nearly dead. Job, leave it. I got tell me, say, me take a taxi from Nata Bay. Hospital with sick baby where I must dead. She got fear ill. Who the fuck does that? You see her father, who the fuck does that? When me breathe, a 2 blood clot, yeah, I'm saying, not even 2 or 3. Carry on Walker. Anita White, Fantasia Bailey, Color, Carrion and Chin. Who you? Where did they? Where did they? Where were you? So me ask for now. When me ask for now, me ask for you soon after blood clot do it. A long time you play father and mother role in a one. Long time. What do you blood clot try to get visa? Who pay for the blood clot visa? How much time I have to beg blood clot you to send half of the money? You only send your blood clot information because they use you and getting visa. Oh, pay, me a good blood clot, madam. I don't want to run the joke. Me never got embassy yet. I'll make sure my child gets a visa. 10 blood clot here. Now put me. I don't work this, madam. I'm an idiot girl. I'm a good girl. I miss the mother. Me is a mother. Come I want him life better. I never got blood clot embassy yet. Never apply for your visa yet. Never, ever. Never. I'm gonna make sure that my child gets a visa. Come I want him to live a life where me never blood clot live. I want him experience where me never experience. You hear that? Now put me. Now put me a good blood clot, but I'm not after. Tell you. When him go to school and when him start school, where you tell me say him too young for start school, I say no. Make him start from early. Don't run with me. Me a good mother. A blood clot for them one. I beg you to say your friend of with a man named Omar or something over your yard with fear visa. The man living in your blood clot, yeah. Did you move to the visa? And me take it up on my blood clot self and use Kayla's sister. Kayla Anderson love me some size sister. Give me some blood clot visa. Ask her who paid that money. Ask her who paid that blood clot $38,000. Ask her. Jessica, I never got embassy yet. Never. Me not either talk, man give me money regular. Me never got embassy yet. I'm not interested in finding them with it. But something I want my son to go and live the life where me never live. So I'm start with that thing for my picnic and my own. And passport look about me. So I left my chin the clock man because my mother did their foreign. Left my chin and run got sometime documents them. No, for me.
Do you know what?
He's not that girl. Me in the streets, yes, I'm living on the streets. Me a good mother. Me a good blood clot girl. Good mother. Wanna know about? Eh? Wanna know about? Eh? You talk all the way, so you can't drive your blood clot car. When a car you look all blood clot underways, about the kind of name, you remember what name? You can punch all 50 million times. You could come look for him. And your son gonna be 3 November 22nd and you never see him 10 times in your life. You pussy, you're somebody. Eh? You're somebody. And where you live? You live a foreign? You live at Jamaica. Jamaica, you live. Yeah, but you're pitney. You're not good for it already. You don't know me, you know. Tell me for not hear me. Come here to block some people from the phone because they don't stop coming. Because they don't want me talking, you know. They don't want me to talk. If I leave with the half of it. When the when the argument with we and Pekka them and Chantel them, me no come like I'm in a stay so make a me. Me no like the life something. So me no want to come go like say me and a problem girl, and a problem girl. More fuck around here so me no like them something here. Don't leave me alone here. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You see I can't go out. Say you can't win, so can't go out. Just can't go out. You don't know nothing about your child. Talk about your son. Your son, your blood clot. My man, I'm father. I got him say as father. No say as no father. You're not ready for this. You're not ready for this. How you know about father? Eh? What you know about father? What you do? You call yourself a father. Eh? In birthday come. Just send nothing for him birthday as a father. No look present, no gift, no look nothing. And even look blood clot, $200 truck, not even that. You call yourself father? There's nobody, you're not ready. You're not ready. You ask for the life to see the life, you don't ready. And you fool your girl them and you fool your family them like you do and you not blood clot do. What do you when you start doing look at something, I know the blood clot girl where you have no one name Candice make you start with something. So I'm not about she there, no. I'm not this she. Because I know say she. I know say she make you start though. And I said I wasn't pre your Keisha, Keisha they make you do something too. But you stop. I want to stop my head blood clot lick. You're supposed to stop. You beg for that baby, yeah. You're supposed to mind him because you beg for blood clotting. I must say you want baby, you know. You send me a germs and you want to bring the germs. You don't feel the germs.
2,
You're sick, stomach.
3, 4,
You're sick. You say you're sick.
6, 7, 8, 9.
You come talk my life about me the one that should baby. Me never even talk to everybody. Me tell that. Me tell everybody and them mama that don't see me mother. Me tell that. Cause me no either should believe me fling with me I go talk to me fling it away. If I was going to me I go talk to I was going to. No ramp with me. Remember say me no care. Remember good no? Count. When I come take it up on it like so no no. Man in big pussy family them. No. When I eat that no, all I wanna eat that no. When like different fuck with, that's how I can't better. All I want over there so far, I can't better. On different so much fuck with. No blessings, no no. No blessings. When I need not bring Sheena this. Not bring Sheena this. When I come to house, Javi for never mind him to reach 5. So him supposed to mind Javi when him reach 5. That's him supposed to do. So then I father footsteps, Javi put a curse by you. I put a curse on you and over your life is a wicked boy. Me as a crying mother, I curse you. Yeah, it's wicked. Yeah, not take it back. Me not take it back. You two blood clot brides. You two blood clot brides. One come talk about who? When take me a walk over? Can I with a black one and all look on no? You can't blood clot, you can't run up on me no. I do a blood clot die no. Maybe think good either ways you know. Cause him could without uno, he make a better off without uno. Cause I make me set the way for blood clot him. Me Jessica set the way for blood clot him. Ask anybody. But I'm beer on a bin, beer partner. Come after the right thing. I don't kill this girl. And that's what I keep around the bin. Cause I need a draw at the end of the night. Not it for the hype. I want a draw at the end of the night and be doing giant small on the bin. 25,000 every week and up. Now with me. And I kill this girl. Me I do the do. Me I do the do. I'm a pin I do it. I'm a do it. But tell us you're not for the nothing for me now. But tell us anything I send over your blood clot today, tomorrow, the other day, me I send it back to you and your blood clot people them. Me I send it back to Uno. Don't send nothing over here. Because you're not too blood clot right, you're not too enough. I'm not like talk. I'm run on the mouth. Uno run on the mouth. Uno don't know nothing about the child. I want to come talk about the child. I don't want nobody say nothing to me now. I don't want no pussy say nothing to me now. I talk out of my mouth. My man saved her last night. My man and my mother saved her last night. One time I did eat in the blood clot. I didn't eat it. Because if I last night, I would have talked up some things. I would have bust up over blood clot this if I last night. And my man want me. I can respect my blood clot, man. I hold it. I hold it like a tree. Javi and nobody. Yeah, and nobody. Remember good. When I come to about say cause Javi this and Javi that. When Javi did it on him blood clot, yes, who Javi say? When me I work at the hotel at the housekeeping and blood clot great thoughts, who him say? Who sell money go blood clot, give me time on him blood clot face, my talk about how much money him give me. You're supposed to give me because they fuck me. You're supposed to give me because they fuck me. I'm talking about because of hype and because him bust my blood clot, all I know him. And he must nobody. And my beg bookings. And after that, I still have a blood clot once. I think I'm left him start that one away is a two blood clot bright. Come talk about hype. Javi know who me a fuck. Javi know who me start fuck after my blood clot left him. And I be able to reach 10 months. You know who me there blood clot fuck. And I used him and ball and say, oh me fuck them man there. Because them man are so and so and so. And them want hype on you. Move your blood clot, me fuck up, me never fuck down. Up me fuck, me never fuck blood clot down. Who you want who for do what? What me want you for do? Eh? What me want you for do? What me want you for do? You know me? Now put me now. Oh, you're good blood clot, man. Now put blood clot me. Boy, I up my fuck, me never fuck down. Me never fuck blood clot down. Never fuck blood clot down. Straight up. I fuck up and I fuck in a class. So again, him can't let me come in a fuck bagga. I'm a fuck eat that blood clot, man. Straight down to my pussy. You know, a fool. A fool around this matter about say, cause you want, you must say, what? To do what? It's been 3 fucking years. It's been 3 fucking years. What am I gonna do with him? What am I gonna do with him now? What am I gonna do with him? I up my gun, I never go down. Up my gun, I never go down. If not happy name child life, my child good. Child good. You was going on? Sure. Up my gun, I never go down. Oh, you can put a post boy if I saw a woman wanna be madam babe. No why you? You know me no why you? You know me don't want you. You know me never clear want you. And if you don't want you more that talk. The girl in Spanish don't know say me a germs and me talk it as it is. If me don't want you, me could have you. I don't want you. I don't want you. I just want you to do the right thing for your child. The child you beg for. The child where you want. Where did want. My baby not costing no money. My baby not costing no money at one time. My child not costing no money at one time.
Wow. To be fair, Jaffy said him can't take this no more. I'm tired of it. You see me, I say my people, boy. It would really be a shame if he really up in these dances and things flossing and worried about material things and not taking care of his kid. But nevertheless, I'm giving up both sides of the story. You see me, I say. And also, now dancehall artist Conscience revealed to the world his new baby. I don't know if it's a girl or a boy. The name is spelled Zayn. Zayn or Zion, you see me, I say. But nevertheless, big up yourself, Conscious and Lots. As you know, the two seem to not be seeing eye to eye in the later stages of the pregnancy. As you know, she was reported missing. You know, the police found her in the hospital. You know, he came out a week later after, you know, it hit the news that his wife was missing and he didn't let the world know. But nevertheless, they're blessed. You see me, I said some of those updates, you know, while going from one to one, putting out the comment section. Is it a baby boy or a baby girl? Anyway, people, I'm not go long with this no longer. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bless.